Alright, welcome back to the channel for part 2 of the turbo install on Cowbell. First things first, we're going to get that intercooler bracket made. Check this out. So I got the holes drilled for the intercooler bracket and got it bolted into the frame. And for now, I'm going to use these washers and clamp them to this bracket. That way I can slide it forward or backward and see how it fits in the bumper. And then we'll figure out a permanent mounting after that. But for now, this is going to work. Now I'm going to get some chains and hook into the head and wrap around this. That way I can hold the engine up and lower the K-member some to get the oil pan off.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, yeah. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah.
Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack.
Alright, I got the engine held up by these chains. And I have the engine mount bolts out, and I've loosened the K-member, and we're going to see if we can slide that oil pan out of there with that much room. If not, we'll probably have to lower the K member even more, but we're going to try this first. Alright, now we got the oil pan off. It's the perfect time to go ahead and replace the oil pump. I've got the Mellings high pressure, high volume pump. It's the same one I run in my car. I figured since we're putting turbo in this thing and it's going to be using a little bit extra oil for the turbo, it wouldn't hurt to bump up the pressure a little bit. Plus this car has always been a little on the lower side of what I would like. I mean, it was still about 40 psi, but my car's 60 plus, so be a good little upgrade while we're here. I got the pan over to Jacob and he got that 10AN fitting welded up in the pan for the drain for the turbo. He did a real good job on this thing. It looks super clean. I'm gonna get the pan back on, start putting this thing back together, and stay tuned for part 3.